This morning we're going to talk about using Kenavision cameras as a classroom manager. What I mean by a classroom manager is one that by showing the students something that they're going to work on in detail, you get them on task immediately and they're ready to go, and you can walk around and watch and not spend all your time with minutiae and small instruction. Here is a Kenavision 7200 camera, in which I've got it on a road map that I just brought in from outside, and we're going to look at, say for a geography lesson, I'm going to look at some detail of the map. Or if I had topographical maps, I could show them detailed topographical maps up to and including things like the symbols on the legends part of the map. So let's use our camera this way. Now here's the camera on the map. I've just taken a standard road map, but now I can sit here and draw it and say to the students, okay, you notice this road passes through here, and I can actually up close and show them exactly the detail. If I wanted to talk about, if I were talking about the pathway from Mexico to Canada, is up I-35. So I can get a close-up of the map and do anything I want with to show it. You can show the legend of the map and teach them about what those legend markers mean, and look at that area too. Let's take a little broader issue. What if I want to show something in much more detail? Let's start with, for example, the map of the world. And I've just got a simple map of the world here. And what if, say, I want to talk about biomes or something like that. What makes up the countryside, or what kind of biomes do these countries have? Well, I could show them the map of the world and show them all the detail of Africa, for example. And then perhaps I might have a resource such as a book, which I can now bring in, and I can show them the biomes. I can focus down a little, make it about the same size using the zoom ability of my camera. Bring that into focus quickly. And now I can show the students that here are the various biomes of Africa, including the temperate forest area, the grassland area, desert region here and here, and so on. And then, while still in the same lesson, without batting an eyelash, I can now show them pictures directly of these areas. Here would be, for example, a typical grassland area. Here would be, this is American desert, but it would at least show the idea behind deserts and the plants of deserts, including, in this case, the cactus standing tall, or a tropical rainforest in detail. And I can zoom in on that if I want to, and look at more detail of that if I want to. So the power of the camera in my classroom is that I can get the students immediately on task, and I can cover a great amount of content area without a lot of wasted time and motion. Notice I made no transparencies. I didn't have to run out of the room to do a single thing. I did it all with my camera set up on my computer, ready to go. Further, with the software involved, I could have taken still images of all these things, stored them in PowerPoint or in Word for people to put into lab reports or for me to include within the test. So, enjoy your Kenavision camera. There's an awful lot of power built into it.